everyone. As you know, I did not have a journal kit to fit the tall journal holder that I'm making. So I had to take a few days and design it. So this is a different day. But what I wanted to let you know was that I've been seeing journals being used with document holders. And so I decided that's what I was going to do too. So I designed this document holder, and it says deed of land. I don't know that any of this stuff all makes sense. I did some French, some English, but it sure did turn out pretty. Now in this kit, I did 3 of them. So you've got a blue one, a brown one, and this one has a fleur-de-lis design on it. And then I also made a green one. So you've got choices, and you can mix and match what you would like to do. So that's the first thing. Now the second thing is I had to design pages in portrait mode, which I hadn't done before. So it was a little bit of a learning curve, but it wasn't hard at all. Let's look at these pages together. I think they turned out really good. I do plan on making more for tall journals. It kind of gives you a new thing to do. Alright, so this one I'm calling document. Since I started with the deed folder, I thought, well, we need documents inside there. So I just made pages with a lot of documents and butterflies and birds and flowers, which of course is what I like to do. And here's another one. So you fold these this way, and that makes that tall journal. So then it makes your pages about 4 1/4 inches wide. I really am in love with it. I think it turned out so pretty. Those wild roses. And here's a letter from 1903, and this is 1870. And then this is a double page, so you fold up like that. So I did make sure that there was interest on each side. And the bow, I love that. Okay, and then here's some with some crochet trim. More like a ledger page there. And then this is the ephemera that comes with the kit. And that was a little bit different to design because you had to design it all to fit, you know, inside that slim journal. And here's some more tags and journal cards and some ephemera. Here's some wax stamps, just in case you don't have the wax and the stamps, so you can put that anywhere. Now this is the backgrounds that come with the page. So you can do envelopes, belly bands, tags, journal cards, whatever your heart's desire. And there's a pink one and a green one. And the reason why I went with these 3 colors is because of the deed cover. I thought that on the outside would be this side, but then if you print it on the inside, you could choose. And I think the blue goes with the green. I think the blue goes with the pink. And of course I chose the blue on blue for this one. And this is what the cover of this journal that we're getting ready to start making is going to be. But let me show you how the other covers match up. So there's the brown and there's the green. So see, the brown looks good with the green. It looks good with the blue. And it also pops with the pink. Same thing with the green. They just go so well. So that's my little twist on it, because I do know that there's a lot of people doing these now, and I wanted to make it my own. So I added the fleur-de-lis in the background, and then of course added all these backgrounds so that you could have some flowers. And I added lots of flowers in with my documents instead of just having plain documents. Well, I hope you love this kit. I'm loving it. Can't wait to start playing with it. And we're going to work on a project together. I haven't thought of it yet because I just got through designing the papers. But as soon as I do, I will continue this video. So I'm going to end it now, but I'm going to tie it in with the next video that we do, so we can do a project together using the papers. Okay, well, thanks so much. I'll see you next time. Well, I'm going to see you just as soon as I figure out what the project is. Okay, bye-bye.